first thing we need to do is figure out what size piece of wood we need. We have here 1 foot 1 3/8 inches by 2 1/2. How wide the wood is. This wood is 2 3/4 of an inch wide. Our piece of paper says that we need 2 1/2 inches wide. So we're going to need to cut a little bit off of this piece of wood. Making a long cut with the grain is called ripping. And we want to rip this down from its current 2 3/4 to 2 1/2. And for this we're going to use the table saw. As we've covered in class, the table saw has a spinning blade underneath this guard. We're going to push this work through the spinning blade path, and we need something to hold the side. We need to adjust our fence to the 2 1/2 inch mark right there, between the 2 and the 3. You'll notice that this tape has the same markings that we've discussed before, except in this case the tiniest lines are a 32nd. It's a very accurate fence. So I bring this guideline, that one right there, and looking directly over it, I line it up to 2 1/2 inches. You'll notice here that there's not much room for my hand to fit through there. I would never dream of trying to push my work through there with my bare hand. So I have my push stick at the ready. The end has a notch cut out so that as I'm pushing my lumber through the saw and through the blade guard, I can grab the end of the wood with my push stick and push all the way through. I'm going to pull it back now and actually do the cut. I adjust the height of the blade to make sure that it will cut all the way through my piece of wood. I stop here, grab my push stick, and push all the way through. My next step is to double check my cut to make sure that it's accurate. Looks pretty good.